Hello guys, so today I'm going to be talking about my three biggest tips for meal prepping. So people that are meal prepping, these are what I'm going to recommend. Number one, making sure that the meals that you're prepping are calorie and macro friendly towards the goal that you want to achieve, if that's fat loss or muscle gain or body recomposition, making sure it's tailored towards that. Number two, making sure that the food that you're having is palatable and flavoursome, and you're enjoying the food that you eat. There's nothing worse than opening up your Tupperware and it being some cold chicken and rice or cold vegetables and stuff that you don't really enjoy, and you're eating it because it's healthy. That's not the point. You've got to enjoy the meals and enjoy your diet and still enjoy the food that you eat. And number three is ease of use of how fast you can make that meal. You've got to take into account the food, that how long it takes, even on your worst weeks when you're super busy, that you still are able to achieve and make that food quickly, efficiently, and take it on the go. Hope this helps. Hope you're having a great day, and I will talk to you soon.